Well, it's our last ride in Arizona for January 2022, and I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit sad. We've just had such a great time and met such nice people, and it's just so beautiful here. Beautiful in a way that it's not beautiful anywhere else. And grown a new appreciation for this colt that I'm riding, and a new appreciation for all of God's creation. Because wow, the varying amount of wildlife that we see, flora and fauna both, while we're out riding, unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And I don't know, I didn't know how pretty the desert could be. And I know now. And maybe there's prettier places, but wow, this area here in Arizona, really, really something. The trails have been challenging and a really good confidence booster for this colt, and a great way for him and me to build our trust in each other, because we've been through some rough stuff while we're here, and it has been a ball. And this colt just couldn't be more happy with him. With the way that he's stopping to look at stuff, you can see him now putting his head down, picking his best way through. But look at here. Here's a pretty decent jump down. Not too bad. There he goes. Just like he'd been doing it his whole life. Not too bad for a farm horse from Iowa. But yeah, just so wonderful to get out of the weather. Weather's been below zero while we've been gone. And I don't know, I'm traveling with my sister, which always makes it extra special. And my sister Sharon and my niece Cammie were with us the very first part of this trip, which made it even more special. So we met some old friends again, made some wonderful new friends, and yeah, this has been such a great experience. Just really, really enjoyed it, and hoping to get to do it again. It's a really special time to get to do these kinds of adventures on horseback, because gosh, my whole life I wanted to do stuff like this, and just wasn't something I could do yet. I'm doing my best now to take advantage of it. Never know. Person never knows when they've had their last ride. And I don't know. I guess it's my last ride, and I ride up to heaven. It's going to be on a trail. It's going to look a lot like this one. It's just beautiful. I'll be riding a good horse and going to see friends and family. And yeah, it'd be pretty special. But just look at the swallows here. They're like soldiers guarding the gates. There is a bunch of them. And every one of them's unique. Every one of them's different, just like the rest of us. Sure have enjoyed it. So this trail's called Black Mesa. We left the First Waters trailhead and rode out quite a ways before we got onto Black Mesa, and I have not taken this trail before. My first time on it. And there is the place that you can see from this trail called Black Mesa, and that's exactly it. Outcropping up high and flat of black rocks that they tell me are black because they have iron ore in them. And well, you can see some of them here on the trail, and that the iron in the rock makes the outside of the rock turn black, but the inside of the rock is actually very light colored. So I don't know, it's a beautiful place. I'm sure sad about leaving, but all good things come to an end. Sure glad I have the videos. Videos, I got a feeling I'll be enjoying them all the rest of my life, showing people the things I used to do when I was young and able. So, yep, it's been a really special trip. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you haven't seen the rest of them, subscribe to my channel, Iowa Trail Rider, all one word. And these videos from Arizona will be there, videos from past rides, and hopefully lots of videos from future rides. So, yep, hope we can see this view coming up here once we get past the saguaro. Mountains and mountains and mountains. Really something. Yeah, really something. Well, anyway, this is Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider, signing off from Arizona. Our adventure here is done. We have 22 hours to drive home over the weekend, but it looks like the weather's going to be good all across the middle part of the country. And yep, we'll be home to loved ones and the rest of the horses and my little dog. I've been missing my little dog and my husband like crazy. So that part of it will be good to get home. So hope y'all have happy trails. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos. Ready to go home, Susan?
Yes. I'd like to stay, but I miss my husband and my kiddos.
Yep, me too.